into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love, even though we're kinda nervous. Together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know. Didn't know what hit me when we started.
I'm going to work on this place. You can see it curves a bit. So tape, roll the tape, the masking tape, roll it backward. Now, when you roll it backward, put it at the center. Find a way to put it.
You are spoiling my shoes.
Don't go like. Can you see this? Then press it hard, right, to help hold the center in place. Now, the number of things like this that you have, the number of the as in how big the work is, will determine how many of these you are going to do. Hello? That will determine how many of these you are going to do. Because if you don't do it, the center, to dab it, to print it, may become difficult. Without taking, that's the essence. Don't press the foam too hard.
Oh yeah, it's amazing. At the same time, how you take my breath away. Oh yeah, can't explain. Ooh. You said, do you wanna go out sometime? You don't have to tell me twice. Oh yeah. Then came the rush of butterflies, trembling and building up from deep inside. Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love, even though we're kinda nervous. Together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know. This love is blossoming between us in yellow.
At the top first, then you take it down. You don't have to remove the one under. Once you remove the one at the top, move the stencil down.
Taking over my body, it feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love, even though we're kinda nervous. Together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart.
Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, follow, like, comment, and share.